where we explore the coolest rides, the quirkiest campers, and the most unforgettable travel gear the modern world has to offer. Today, we're diving into a very special kind of vehicle, one that bridges the gap between the past and the future. This is the 2025 Retro Camper, a machine that doesn't just transport you physically, but also takes you on a nostalgic journey through time. It's new, but it looks old. It's futuristic, but it feels like something straight out of a 70s road trip. So let's take a long, in-depth look at what makes the 2025 Retro Camper so unique, so lovable, and why it might be the camper you didn't know you needed. First off, let's talk about the design. This camper doesn't try to hide its retro charm. In fact, it wears it proudly. The exterior is a blend of vintage curves, classic chrome bumpers, rounded fenders, and an iconic two-tone paint job that brings back memories of a simpler, freer era. The designers clearly took inspiration from classic Airstreams, Volkswagen buses, and the original Winnebagos. But don't be fooled, this is not just a copy-paste of a 70s camper. Underneath the nostalgic skin lies a thoroughly modern vehicle. LED taillights, solar roof panels, aerodynamic side mirrors, and lightweight composite materials ensure that this camper isn't just a tribute to the past, it's a full-functioning machine made for modern adventurers. Now, stepping inside is like walking into a well-preserved time capsule, but with all the tech and comfort we've come to expect in 2025. Wood paneling lines the walls, retro-styled upholstery with bold colors and patterns fills the cabin, and classic toggle switches sit next to a hidden digital control panel. Everything looks delightfully vintage, but when you start touching things, you realize it's all state-of-the-art. The climate control system is smart and voice-activated. The lighting can be changed with a tap on your phone. The TV folds down from what looks like a wooden cabinet. Even the retro-looking radio is secretly a high-end audio system with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth streaming. The layout is compact yet surprisingly functional. You've got a convertible dinette that becomes a full-size bed, a small kitchenette with an induction cooker,